Hello everyone, this video is about how to create yourself a TikTok account, but before we go into the process, kindly subscribe to this channel. Once you get onto your TikTok account, over here right now we're onto the home page of TikTok. You can then tap profile just in the bottom right corner, then over here tap login or sign in. So over here you can create your account using your Facebook, your Google or your Twitter, but for now we're gonna create it from scratch. So we're gonna tap where you see use phone or email. So tap over there at the top where you see use phone or email. So you can choose either to use a phone number or use an email address. So for now I'm gonna use an email address. So after putting in the email address, then tap next. Yeah, there you go. You can then tap next. Then over here you just need to complete that puzzle to verify that you are a human being. Just do complete the puzzle and verification may be done. It's very possible. This app believe that robots can also create a channel. Then over here they request you to create yourself a password that you will use to log in into your channel. So over here, after doing so, tap next so that we can head to the next. Then over here they do request for a date of birth. So by mere scrolling down or up, you can change the respective days, months and the years so that we can get your date of birth. Then over here you can create yourself a username right over here, or you can skip and change your name later on, but it's better if you can do it over here, but I'm gonna skip it for now. So then for other things that you should know, if you want to know how to change yourself the username onto your account, how to add other links to your TikTok account, how to change your profile picture, how to follow, everything concerning TikTok, just go onto my home page on YouTube, then go into that playlist of TikTok so that you can search or view the videos concerning whatever thing you want to know about TikTok. How can you handle your account? Whichever thing you need, go find it onto my playlist. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you next time.